We're giving away hundreds of dollars of RevZilla gift cards. Stay to the end of the video to figure out how to enter and win. All right, side of the vehicle, 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 side of the vehicle. Another side of the vehicle, another side of the vehicle. Good job on the braking. Okay, idiot alert, fine. But good job on the braking. That's what I care about. We're coming up to this point, and what we see is the side of the vehicle. Okay, so that's just going to let us know that there is an intersection coming up. We got to be very careful with that. Okay, now he's entering the roadway, so we can start decelerating, which is what he does. So he does a great job. He's preventing himself from getting closer and closer and closer. Side of the vehicle, be very careful with that. So if you notice, we're supposed to be going 25, which is, I believe, is what he's doing. Okay, he's going at pretty good speed. He's not hauling butt. He's going probably 25. So that's going to allow him to brake in time and not panic or have to smack somebody or swerve at high speed. So he's doing a good job here. All right, one of them went. Another one might. You never know. It's still a scary situation. So wait for this dum-dum possibly. Oh, that's where they go. Oh, they're getting closer and closer and closer. Be very careful. So right here, go ahead and roll off that throttle. Go ahead and roll it off, okay? It's going to do that engine braking. It's going to slow you down a little bit. And when it slows you down a little bit, it's going to get that front tire to go down and apply some of that weight, okay? That weight's going to go onto that front tire, which is going to increase more traction just from engine braking, just from a little bit. So then when you do have to squeeze, you already have some mechanical traction going on. So a greater chance of it not slipping out and dumping the bike. So rolling off the throttle is going to benefit you from providing you more options and time on top of giving you a little bit of that friction on that front tire, a little bit of that traction on that front tire, so that when you do, or if you have to apply that front brake, you're already one step ahead, and all you did was just do this. Just roll off. That's it. That's all you had to do. What happened there? Scooter. Good braking. The only thing that we really have to point out here, we get distracted by this dum-dum right here, okay? That's pretty much what's going to cause the whole sequence of events. That's really what's going to cause a lot of this stuff. But what I want you guys to see is that this guy is over here on the line. We had a car going this way. Look at our space cushion. We don't have a very good space cushion. We have okay line of sight. I can kind of see around this right here. I can see what's in here. So we have okay line of sight. So if all of a sudden this person slammed the brakes, which it looks like they're doing right now, what are we going to do? Are we going slow enough to where we can slam the brakes too and not dump the bike and do progressive brake pressure? I don't want to say slam. I should take that back. Can we do good enough progressive brake pressure to stop before colliding with this? Can we? If you don't think your skill is good enough, put yourself over here so that if something happens, this person slams the brakes and you maybe make it to like right here, you'll still be safe. So always, always, always think about your total stopping distance. So that's my biggest concern. This is a distraction. Focus on your ride. Focus on the threats. Okay? Put yourself in a better position. He did a great job with his fundamental skills though. So right here, if you weren't paying attention, would you be able to stop in time from here? Would you be able to? If not, you have another option. Exactly what he did. So he actually stopped in time and then he moved out of the way to get himself, because who knows, maybe the person behind us isn't paying attention and we stop like right here and they go bam, crash right into us. And now we're sandwiched and killed. That's a lot of the problems that, or a lot of the lane splitting is supposed to be a solution for that. There's some other issues I have with that, but I think just naturally protecting yourself by being off to the side is a good option. You don't have to lane split every situation. I think finding that escape path and getting there is probably the better one in this situation, but he did a great job. Watch. And then he looks in his mirror right there, but look how close. Look how close we got. What happens if he wasn't paying attention and it was just a quarter of a second more? Like if he was looking this way and then a quarter second he recognized, he's super quick. But if he had applied that brake a quarter second too late, it would have been a collision. So that's why you have to pay attention. That's why you need to put yourself in a good position. All right, watch out, corner, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Good job, you recognized it. Did good braking. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I am fine with that. All right. I don't like this position just because we're right behind the vehicle. I want to be off to the side a little bit. Wear gear also. Be a smart rider. Acquire and utilize personal protective equipment. That could have been you. That could have been you. That's why I like to be off to the side. Probably yelling at the kids in the back. Let them deal with it. Nobody's gonna be hurt on this one. Nobody's gonna be hurt on this one. Subscribe to 99 Lives. He does great stuff, guys. All right. Very choppy, but what side of the vehicle, roundabouts, intersections, all those things cause problems.
You doing?
No indicator, but we should understand until they make their decision, we need to go ahead and sit back a little bit. New hazards up front. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in RevZilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, click, click. Link in description.